Best house plants for home decoration. Today the topic is top 5 plants that will be really very beautiful for home decor. So let's see what are the plants that can be used as home decor plants to your home garden as indoor plants. One of the beautiful plants for your home decor is this umbrella plant. This plant can be purchased from a nursery, and also you can get this very easily by a friend of yours, or you can get it from your neighbor, or else you can grow this plant from a stem cutting. If you get this plant, you are very lucky enough, because in Feng Shui this is considered as one of the Feng Shui lucky plants. Next most beautiful leaves and most easy to grow plant is this bamboo plant. This is called as the lucky bamboo. Also you can grow this plant from single stem, and also one of the permanent plants for your garden. This is another plant which you can easily propagate in water and can grow as an indoor plant. Next beautiful plant for your home decor is this prayer plant. You can grow this really very easily, and they are low maintenance also, and also a permanent plant. So grow this beautiful plant indoors as an indoor plant. Transovaria plants. Transovaria also another plant which is low maintenance and also very easy to grow. They do not need regular watering and fertilizer too. So grow this beautiful home decor plant in your indoor plants collection and also outdoor plants. Also in your garden as a garden decor plant. Those plants are also in the decorative plants list. This is one of the permanent plants. You can grow them really very easily. So have this beautiful plant in your home garden as a decorative plant. Rubber plant. This is another plant which you can grow very easily and low maintenance, and also one of the permanent plants and a decorative plant for your home garden. If you keep this plant indoors, there are many benefits like air purification, and also this will decor your home. Beautiful leaves and also best indoors. So this is another beautiful decorative plant.